A cough is a warning system of poor respiratory health. It needs to be taken care of immediately with something safe and effective, like Melidril cough remedy syrup, a soothing, fast-acting cough syrup formulated from a mix of authentic Ayurvedic herbs like tulsi, ginger, mint, and other herbs, plus honey for maximum effect. An anti-allergic effective in common cold rhinitis and bronchitis too, providing fast relief from acute cough and throat irritation, plus reducing upper respiratory ailments too. Melidril cough remedy syrup reduces the viscosity of sputum, unblocks lungs and nasal passages, easing breathing and fighting off respiratory infections. An ideal cough syrup for the entire family. Melidril cough remedy syrup. Breathe easy. You have a natural way to treat a cough effectively. Brought to you by RMCL Universe.